Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a text file. Alright, let's dive into creating our first text file. So there are a couple of easy ways to do this, and we'll start with the most common one using the right-click menu. You can create a text file pretty much anywhere. For simplicity, let's do it on the desktop for now. So just minimize any open windows so you can see your desktop background. Find an empty area on your desktop and click the right mouse button. You'll see a menu pop up. In that menu, you'll see an option called New. And when you hover your mouse cursor over it, another smaller menu will appear. And in this new menu, you should see Text Document. So go ahead and click on that. So you've just created a brand new text file. You'll see it appear on your desktop with a default name, usually new text document.txt. The txt part is called the file extension, and it just tells your computer that it's a text file. So now we're going to rename the file because new text document is not very descriptive. So let's give it a more useful one. So for this one, let's just call it my first notes, and we can do that by directly typing the new name. So once you're done typing, just press the enter key on your keyboard or click anywhere on your desktop. And so now the text file has been renamed to my first notes, and the .txt is just a file extension. So it's important that we don't need to name the file my first notes.txt like that because it already has the .txt. So now we can simply double click on the my first notes file, and it will usually open up in a program called Notepad. And here we are, a blank canvas. Now for our example, let's say you want to quickly jot down your grocery list for the week. So let's type that out. So we can literally type anything over here. Let's just add a few items. So it's super easy. You can type anything you want. Ideas for a project, a quick poem, anything. So now let's save our text file. You have a couple of options to save your work. You can go to File and then click on Save. Or you can simply press Ctrl S to save your work. And that's it, your file has been saved. So we can close the text file and then we can open it again just to check that our work has been saved. And there we go. While creating on the desktop is easy for practice, for long-term storage, it's a good idea to save your text files within organized folders, like in your documents folder, so that your desktop doesn't get too cluttered. The process is exactly the same, just right-click in the folder instead of the desktop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other computer tasks you'd like to learn next.